And this weekend, we were in Bacolod. So, we went to Robinson's Bacolod. And we have a book sale hall. Ayan. In Robinson's Bacolod. Friend, pasensya na po. We are really, a bookworm ba ang tawag yan? Pag nakita na po tayo ng books, yun. So, the first one is The Healing Handbook. Yan. So, 50 pesos lang po siya. Don't worry. Unbinding Your Heart. 40 Days of Prayer and Faith Sharing. Wow, 10 pesos only. Yan. So, napakaganda po mga books. So, we feel that these are treasure kasi sa price niya parang hindi mo isipin you can buy a book. So, anyway, this is from Robinson's Bacolod. Ayan, marami na naman tayong things to learn and things to use. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.